Okay, so you mentioned you're writing these little blog posts. I'm assuming this is for SEO purposes. Do you have any SEO tips?
I have some hot tips for SEO. When it comes to especially the business that we're in, I would focus only on four or five different keywords, one keyword per page, and where your homepage is basically just your brand, and that you then have sub pages, which is laundry services, one being wash and fold or laundry pickup and delivery, one being residential. So you can segment between the two if your market is big enough. We have put it on the same page because in our area, it's not, the competition isn't extreme enough for us to have two pages for the different segments. And then I guess my other SEO tip would be to not hire an SEO company to do your SEO. Unless you're in a bigger city and you want to really drive business to your laundromat. I think that SEO is extremely valuable. It's a great long-term value driver to a business, but it is expensive if you want to get someone really good at doing it. And it means that you need someone that's creating content for your business, high quality content, at least twice a month. And I think that a lot of those SEO benefits can be gained just by using Google Ads instead. Obviously, you want to use both because you want to take up as much real estate as possible when you're showing up on Google. But for a lot of your listeners might be smaller businesses, and SEO, unless you can afford it, is not the first that sort of marketing tactic that I would use.
Yeah. Yeah. And the other aspect of SEO is that it's a long game, right? It's a slow play. It takes a long time.
It is, yeah. It takes 3 to 6 months to rank for things, and
so, but it is valuable. I mean, kind of goes back to that consistency. If you're just kind of consistently posting, you don't have to go like over and above. You mentioned, David, 200-word blog posts and stuff that you're just kind of posting consistently. Those will end up paying off down the line as, that moves up the ranks through Google. And, who knows what's happening with SEO these days now that Google released their AI, and we'll see if things change. But I have a feeling that local businesses will still benefit SEO even during again, that consistency is key. But I wouldn't say focus on that if your goal is to build that business as quickly as possible, because it is going to